Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Hi, I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Welcome to 179 Blackwell Lane in Henrietta, a charming ranch home loaded with updates. So let's take a tour. Greet your family and friends with this open foyer and living room with great natural light and beautiful hardwood floors. Leading to the charming dining room with a chair rail. These are tremendous updates with a white and bright granite kitchen. With stainless steel appliances, an extra large one basin sink, and a breakfast bar with rustic exposed brick. Open to the family room with new floors and a modern design brick fireplace. Plus a spacious vaulted ceiling sunroom with a wall of windows overlooking the wooded lot. This ideal layout features a separate bedroom wing with 3 spacious bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms with beautiful hardwood floors, an updated full bathroom, and an owner's suite with an updated powder room. This home is situated on a quiet neighborhood street on nearly half an acre backing to woods. The perfect combination of privacy and community feel. All minutes to the Pittsburgh YMCA, Village of Pittsburgh, Henrietta, and beautiful Mendon Ponds Park. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 179 Blackwell Lane in Henrietta, one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here!